are to know about the importance of this subject. That's one thing. So medical education, I can call it is a personalized, what you call personalized education. So each and every student will be
Yes.
taken care, whether you understood the learning, I mean, understood the concepts, conceptual understanding is not there. That's why doctors can treat. So similar things should happen in our technical education, in other liberal art. This thing, that is one thing. Another thing, this education, I told you how suddenly you become an entrepreneur, how you can develop innovation. Yeah, that is possible because now this policy already,
Yes.
emphasize that till sixth standard, the student should know or study in the regional languages. And if he's interested again in regional language, he can learn. He, up to 10th or 12th or up to undergraduates, postgraduate, he can learn in his own mother tongue. Because today, I think yesterday, I talked to one Vishweshwara Technology Vice Chancellor, Professor Karishidappa. He was telling me that central government has directed to convert all engineering books into Kannada. So that work is already started, converting the all engineering subjects which were in English will be converted into Kannada. So next year, 21, 20, 20, no, 20, 22, 23 onward academic year, the engineering will be taught in Kannada. Similar practice will be in Maharashtra. So those who are joining 22, 23 diploma as well as the engineering, they learn in Marathi. So why this concept? Because see, why this policy is telling that to learn up to sixth standard in their own regional language. The reason is that if they learn in regional language, they understand properly. Even they understand properly, then the ideas start will coming there. What I have to do, what I have to do. Ideas again become, then the students will go for innovation. Once it is innovation, then he will start doing something his own or help somebody else. So because this sort of converting knowledge that into English books into regional language, it leads to a lot of employment and it leads to a lot of entrepreneurs. That's one thing. Once it is learned in your own language, our own importance of our reason, our own culture, our own tradition will come into the play. So here the focus more on will be what you call our tradition. It is totally forgotten. Even I am from Kolhapur. I don't know why Kolhapur is famous. What are our issues, local issues? That's why in this policy,